Probably, but...
There's 55 right here. Yeah, what the? Amtrak 42 with 100 leading. Oh, and a horn show. Just perfect. They're stopping for us. We gotta meet. Whoa, that was amazing.
Definitely don't want to walk out in front of that thing.
Well, I'm gonna keep recording. That was amazing. Thank you for Sunnyside. You saved us.